Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Mi 11i and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So firstly, let's enter the camera app and we have to switch to the video mode. So simply tap on the video, and if you can see this red circle inside the shutter button, for sure you've changed the mode. So now we can tap on this three bars icon in the right upper corner, and let's take a look at these two options which are at the very top of this bar. Both of them are connected to the resolution. So the resolution is actually the first one. So we've got 720p, 1080p, which is right now applied because this option is highlighted. We can also set 4K or 8K, and for some of those options we will be also able to change the frames per second. Let's say, so we've got 30 frames per second and 60 frames per second. So in order to change the ratio, the resolution, all you have to do is simply tap on it. So as you can see, for example, in this 8K, we've got only 30 frames per second available. Let's check the 4K, and we've got both of them available. So it's really up to you which option you'd like to use. I highly recommend some of those, and after tapping on it, your device immediately changes the resolution. So it means that from now on it will record videos in chosen quality, so for example in my case in 4K. So actually this is it. This is how to change video resolution in your Xiaomi Mi 11i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.